Hi guys, today is the third day of the egg experiment. I just got these out of the fridge. I'm a little late doing it today, so it's been a little more than 24 hours. I'm going to take the lids off and see what we've got. We'll make some observations, and then we're going to record in our chart. I wrote down yesterday's. Today I'm going to write down the next slot. You should have your lab out. The first thing I'm noticing The first thing I'm noticing, there's still some foam on the top. Not as much as yesterday, and I see some bubbles. I also noticed that my eggs rotated. They turned. Okay, I'm going to take them out and see what we got. Well, look at this. After 2 days, the eggshell is completely gone on all three. This one I had to rinse a little extra, but it's gone. They're like rubbery. It's so cool. They look kind of yellowish. Like not a pure yellow, but like a beige kind of yellow. And they're squishy. Like a rubber ball. And that's going to be an experiment you can do. All right, I'm going to record some observations in my data table, and then we're going to go on to the next step. All right, so I'm going to now put my eggs into pure water from the sink. And I'm going to add some food coloring. You could do this too. Pick a color. I have a bunch. Okay, and I'm going to see what happens, and I don't know, it might take more than a day. All right, so here I put my egg back in the water. It's pure water now, not vinegar. And I'm going to put some hot pink food coloring in. Looks like red. I spilled it. I'm going to make a mess. All right. Into this one, I didn't put the egg yet, but I'm going to put blue. I'm putting kind of a lot because I want it to be dark. And this one, oh, I didn't pick a color. Let's do green. It's really hard to do this stuff with one hand, guys. All right, so I have my blue food coloring. I'm going to put the egg in there. And I've got my green food coloring. I'm going to put the egg in there. It's kind of like making Easter eggs, dyed eggs, except for they have no shell. Now, what are we expecting to happen? Well, we put it in 100% water, and the egg itself is about 90% water. And this membrane is semi-permeable, or is permeable. So I would expect that this egg was going to swell up as it fills with water, and maybe the food coloring will get in there. We'll find out. We'll find out later or maybe tomorrow. I don't really think it's going to dye the outside. I think it's going to go into the egg and kind of like prove that water's going in there. We'll find out. I'm going to wrap these back up and put them in my fridge until tomorrow. And then we'll finish our experiment. Don't forget to write down your data.